Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds EDIFIER HECATE GX07 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth and other devices, press on it or click Enter. Now, at the right top we have a button Add Device. You need to press this button. If you have Windows 10, you will have this button at the top. So press on it. In this window we need to select Bluetooth. Now open the charging case, and inside of it we have a connectional button. You need to press and hold connectional button until your LED light on your earbuds start blinking blue. Here we go. And now we see them at the device list. Tap on them and then click Done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!